Hello everyone and welcome to Heartily Medico. So in this video we are discussing about various types of blood sample collecting tubes and uses in different laboratory tests. So here come the lavender lab tubes. These tubes are tapped with lavender color so you can easily identify them. And also it contains EDTA and these are used for hematology testings such as CBC and also blood film for malaria parasite, red cell folate, reticulocytes and pathogenic hormone monospot test. And after collecting the blood in these tubes, you should flip them 8 to 10 times so the blood cannot clot. Next is the red lab tubes. These are used for the biochemistry test which requires serum. And these contain silica particles which are act as clot activators. These are used for the various laboratories such as serum testing, burn, alkaline phosphate antibody screening, blood bank serology, prototype DNA, RNA and etc. Next is yellow lab test tube. These are used for the test which require separated serum for analysis such as the biochemistry, endocrinology, oncology, toxicology, microbiology and immunology. And this contains of the anticoagulant which separates the serum from the blood, and the anticoagulant present in this is SPS, sodium polyethanol sulfonate and ACDs, acid dextrose, and it can also be used for the body fluid cultures also. The light blue tubes. Light blue tubes are used for the hematology test which require the whole blood which is inactivated for the analysis. So it contains the sodium citrate. It helps to remove the calcium from the blood and prevents the blood from clotting, and these are used for the laboratory tests such as coagulation, PTT, APTT and thrombin tests. Next is the green lab tubes. These are also used for the biochemistry test which require whole blood or heparinized plasma. So it contains the additive that is heparin, that is sodium, lithium, ammonium, and it inhibits the formation of thrombin in order to prevent clotting. So it is used for tests such as chromosome screening, aldosterone, renin and insulin testing, chemistry testing, ammonia, etc. You may also find these pink tubes. These pink tubes basically are the purple ones. These also contains the anticoagulant EDTA and can be used for the cross match and other blood samples such as the Coombs test also. Next is grey lab tubes. These are also used for collection of blood and for the chemistry testing of lactate, glucose and glucose tolerance test, and they contain the additives sodium fluoride and potassium oxalate so that it prevents the breakdown of glucose in the collected blood sample. Let's summarize all of the tubes. So the red top tube is the plain tube, lavender top tube is the EDTA tube, green top tube is the heparin tube, black top tube is the ESR tube, grey top tube is the glucose tube, blue tube is the prothrombin tube, yellow top tube is the serum tube, orange top tube is the thrombin tube, serum gel tube is the gel tube. So with the help of the color of the tube cap you can identify them and you can use it for the different type of blood investigations. You must choose the tube according to the test prescribed by the physician.